Good morning, dear student. Today we learn a new chapter of Class B, English. Please open your book, page number 20. Student, you know, sometimes younger are very clever than the aged person. So, in this story, we learn how younger are very clever than the aged person sometime. So, before going to start this session, sometimes young children are more intelligent than the grown-up people. Do you agree with me or not? If yes, raise your hand. Please raise your hand that younger people are younger children are more intelligent than the grown-up people. Please raise your hand. Yes, everybody agree with me that sometimes the younger children are more intelligent than the grown-up people. Let us read a lesson about that, and the lesson is Raju and the roaster. The lesson is Raju and the roaster. Raju and the Raju and the roaster. Open your book, page number 20, and see the book. Once there lived a boy named Raju with his parents and grandparents. They had about 2 dozens of hen and rooster, and chicks were difficult to count as they were many. The biggest of the rooster was called King, as he had a big red crown. The biggest of the rooster was called the king, as he had a big red crown. One day, the king rooster was in a bad mood. He chased and hens fought with the rooster and killed many chicks. Raju's fathers and grandfather wanted to catch king, but king flew up to the mango tree and sat there all day long singing cuckoo doodle, cuckoo doodle, cuckoo doodle all the time. So, in this session, we know once Raju, named Raju, lived with his parents and grandparents in a village, and they have, we know that they have some pet animals. There are 2 dozens of pet animals. Say they have dozens of pet animals like the rooster, hens, chicks, etc. And chicks, how many chicks? They unable to count the chicks. So that Raju was very happy when he was with his parents. In this way, we know. Let me tell in Odia for your better understanding. Once there lived. If I asked question, who lived? Raju. Who lived? Who did Raju live in? If I ask question for your better understanding, then we are able to understand the language. So, once there lived a boy named Raju with his parents and grandparents. एकदा राजू ता पिता माता एवं ता जेजे बापा सहित से रहुथिला. They had 2 dozens of hens and rooster. तांकर कौन थिला? Dozens of hen आउ रोस्टर रोस्टर माने तुम समस्त जानिछ रोस्टर रोस्टर माने कौन रोस्टर माने होची कौन रोस्टर माने सो दे after analysis I am writing the difficult words in the blackboard on the blackboard so you at that time know the meaning of the difficult word. And the cheek were difficult to count as they were many. The biggest of the roster was called king as he had a big red crown. One day the king, the roster, was in a bad mood. He chased the hens and fought with the roster and killed many chicks. बेले एमती हिसाब रे से ता पितामाता सहित से रहुला एवं रहिबा फल रे दिने से कोन करछि से कुकुड़ा मान सहित से खेलु थाए एंड द चिक्स वे डिफिकल्ट टू काउंट आज दे वेर मेनी से माने एते परिमाण रे थिले तांको ऊपर जे छोटो छोटो कुकुड़ा मान को जहा को हमें आम लैंग्वेज तांको गणिबाटा संभव हेउ नथिला द बिगेस्ट रोस्टर वाज द कॉल किंग सबुठो जे बड़ कुकुड़ा थिला ताकू से माने राजा बोली के ना देथिले आज हेड मेनी क्राउन काहे कि ताको राजा बोली देथिले काहे कि ना ता मुंडो ऊपर गोटिए रेड क्राउन थिला बा लाल रंगर गोटिए चूल थिला पिला माने तमे समस्त देखिथिबो अंडीरा कुकुड़ा जहा को हमें गंजा बोली की कहूछु से अंडीरा कुकुड़ार मुंडो रे गोटे चूल थिला आउ रेड क्राउन सेटा थिला तेणु करी ताहाको कुकुड़ा मानक मध्य से माने राजा बोली डाकुथिले. King Roaster was in a bad mood. He chased the hens and fought with order of Roaster and killed many sheep. Raju's father and grandfather wanted to catch King, but the king flew upon the mango tree and sat there and singing कुकु डुडुल डुडुल कुकु डुडुल डुडुल. तो दिने से कौन हिची से माने अंडीरा कुकुड़ा बा जा गंजा कुकुड़ा जहा को राजा बोली ना दिया हेतला से कौन करछि रागिकी बहुत गुडी चिक बा छोट छोट कुकुड़ा छुआ मान को से मारी पकई यह देखिकी राजुर बापा से कौन कले से कुकुड़ा को जो धरवा को चेष्टा कले से कुकुड़ा से राजा कुकुड़ा बा से अंडीरा गंजा कुकुड़ा से कौन कला आस्ते आस्ते निकट में थिबा गोटे गछ ऊपर को चढ़ीगला. नेक्स्ट कौन है देख राजू फास्ट मदर ट्राई टू कैच द रोस्टर तापरे राजुर माँ आछंती से रोस्टर को धरिबा पई किंतु she poured some grains rice to threw the rice on the ground and she said, King, my dear king, come down there and have some grain of rice. तापरे से आसी कौन कहते देख पाने लुक एट द पिक्चर से गंजा कुकुड़ाटी बा से अंडीरा कुकुड़ाटी गछ ऊपर को चढ़ी जाइए एवं ताको डाकिबा राजुर माँ से बापू को आछंती एवं ताको डाकिजंती तू तळको चलिया जे राजा तू तळको चलिया मु तो पई चावल आनीची आ तू तळको चलिया से चावल तू खाइबू. द किंग डिड नॉट मूव ऑन एन इंच एंड सेड कुक डुडुल कुक डुडुल कुक डुडुल. तापरे से ता स्वर करिगिरी कुक डुडुल करिगी से गाइला एवं आसिला तळको आसिला नहीं. Let me read some questions and there some difficult word, new word. New words are there. Roaster, difficult, Grain, GRAIN, grain. शस्य. Cage. Cage माने ହେଲା ଧରିବା. Mango. Amber. So, like this, some difficult one or new words for you. And now we complete the session. And some comprehension questions are there. Why did there are 12 number of comprehension questions? The questions are for you. These are: why did Raju lived in? Why did who did Raju live in? Raju lived in his parents and grandparents. How many hens and rooster? How many hens and rooster had Raju? There are 2 dozens of hens in Raju. Why is difficult to count the chicks? Because as they were many. Because as they were many. What was the name of the biggest rooster? The biggest rooster name was King. What was he called King? Because he had a big red crown. Next. What did King do when he was in a bad mood? He killed so many sheep when he was in bad mood. Who tried to catch King? Raju's father and grandfather tried to catch King. Why did they fail to catch King? As he flew upon the mango tree, he tried to catch the king. Who tried to catch the rooster? Raju's mother tried to catch the rooster. How did he try to catch the rooster? She threw grains of rice and tried to catch the rooster. Was she able to catch the rooster? No, she was not able to catch the rooster. So, in this way, you complete the comprehension test question on your note copy. Let me start another session 2, the SGP 2. SGP means you know the sense group paragraph. SGP 2. Second, Raju's father tried to catch King, the rooster. He brought some grains of wheat and threw them on the ground. He said, "The king, my dear king, come down, dear king, have some grain of wheat." King did not move on an inch and said, "Coo, coo, coo, doodle, 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 coo, coo, doodle." So, next time, what happened? When Raju's father came, the king, "My dear king, come down." He said to the king, "My dear king, come down." But he unable to come, and he said, "I bring some food for you," and that food is what he bring? He brings some grain of wheat. He brings some grain of wheat. But the crown king not come from the tree to the under to the near of his father. So he said, and he do not move. He did not move an inch and said, "Coo, coo, doodle." So next, what happened? In the third, the grandfather tried to catch the rooster. He bought some loaves of bread and threw them to the ground. He said, "King, my dear king, come down dear and have some crops of rice." And kings did not come an inch, and she also said the same. So ଏଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତା ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦର ତା ଅଜା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ତା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଚାଉଳ ଗୁଣ୍ଡ ବା ପାଉରୁଟିର ଗୁଣ୍ଡ କିଛି ତା ପାଇଁ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପକାଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଦେଖିଲା ଏବଂ ସେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଯେଉଁ ଗଛ ଉପରେ ଥିଲା ସେ ଜମାରୁ ତଳକୁ ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ ନ ଆସିକି ସେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଞ୍ଚ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇଠୁ ହଲିଲା ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ ସେଇ ଗଛ ଉପରେ ଥାଇକି ସେ କୁକୁ ଡୁଡୁଲ ବୋଲିକି ତା ସ୍ୱରରେ ସେ କହୁଥାଏ ଏବଂ ଆସିବାକୁ ସେ ତାକୁ ମନା କରୁଥାଏ. So here also some 5 comprehension question is there. Who tried to catch the king next? How did the cry? In this way complete this also this note. Now we come to session third. Finally, Raju came with a small old basket full of cockroach. He knew that the rasgullas are to men and cockroach are to the hands. He also knew well that kings had been permitted a lot, his father, his mother and grandfather. तो फाइनाली से राजू एथर से जानिथिला जे लोक मानक पई रसगोल्ला जेमिति प्रिय लोक माने जेमिति रसगोल्ला खाइबा पसंद करते सेमिति दि क्राउन किंग राजा बा से अंडीरा कुकुड़ा से खाइबा को कोन पसंद करथला कोक्रोच आ से कोन कला गोटे पेटी रे थिबा किछि कोक्रोच आनिकी से रोस्टर को किछि कहला नहीं एवं से गछ तले रखिदेला तो से रोस्टर को देखी से कौन कला से रोस्टर जिते से गछ उपर थिला एवं से देखिला जे तଳ कॉकरोच बास्केट रो गोटी गोटी होई बाहरचंती से आउ से गछ उपरे रही पारिला नहीं. The king from the top of the tree saw some cockroach crawling out of the basket. तापरे से देखिला जे some cockroach are crawling से गड़िबा बा से माने से बास्केट रो बाहरचंती एवं चलिबा बा गुरुंडीबा आरंभ करचंती से समय रे से कोन करछि he could not wait longer. तापरे से किंग तापरे से क्राउन किंग बा से कुकुड़ा से गछ पर जाउथला से आ सेटा देखि संभाली पारला नहीं से सेटू गछरू उड़ी आसिकी तळको आसिला एवं तळको आसिकी he flew down the mango tree. In no time he sat near Raju. As he tried to swallow some of the basket, Raju caught him easily and the roaster had a little time to say cook cook cook. तापरे जेतले से आसिकी से कोक्रोच मानकु बा कोक्रोच माने हला झुल्ला हम जहाँ कहूँ माने घर मानकु थांती झुल्ला से झुल्ला गुड़ाक तुम चित्र देखिपार ये जो चित्र अच्छी ये चित्र रे कोक्रोच गुड़ाक चित्र अच्छे ये कोक्रोच जिते से खाइबा आरंभ करची ताकू राजू आसिकी सुविधा समय ताकू धरी पकाइला एवं राजूर उपस्थित बुद्धि फल ता बापा माँ आ अजा जोटा कर राजू निजर उपस्थिति बुद्धि बल से कौन कला से कुकुड़ा को गछर तलक आनी धरवे सफल होता. तो पिला माने आमे यही स्टोरी जानिले जे बेले बेले कौन हुए जे आमे पिला मानकर बुद्धि बड़ मानक ठारू मध्य बेले बेले प्रखर होता है बा अधिक होता है. There is some comprehension questions are there in the notebook and some vocabulary questions also. You write down some vocabulary question and their answer. MCQ, you know MCQ? MCQ, multiple choice question. So here is some multiple choice questions for you to complete the homework. Also write down in your notebook and come tomorrow. Some answer are there. Raju lived with dash. Raju lived with all of them. They had a dash. They had a dozen of hens and rooster and many chicks. One day the king dash. One day the king killed many chicks. So here match the sentence with A with B. Match mother, grandmother, Raju, father, and in B column cockroach, wheat, rice, and bread. You also complete the task and come next day to school by completing all the tasks in your note copy and in your book. You also complete the worksheet in your book. Okay. Thank you.